Let's add a new line on an existing requisition. I'm already connected to my Oracle instance using the login button, and I brought up a new sheet with the purchase requisitions template. Let's first download an existing requisition. You have two download options. You can download via form or download via sheet. This second option consists in entering the criteria you want to download in the sheet and then highlight the criteria and click on Download via sheet. All the columns marked with a little arrow can be used as download criteria. Then you can keep the download criteria or clear them. Let's add a new line on this requisition. You can copy-paste from an existing line and then change anything you want on this new line, like the price or the quantity. At any time, you can bring up the user form to complete or enter this dataset. Click on Data Forms to bring up this user form. Here, all your Oracle setup will be retrieved. You can use the wildcard percentage to do a partial or full search. Then click on the search icon and select an item from your list of items. You can also add information on the sourcing section if you like. Finally, we need to put an upload action, to create this new requisition line. We need to do the same at the distribution level. Finally, at the header level, you want to put update as an upload action since this requisition already exists and we want to add a new line on it. Then, when your dataset is ready, you have two options. You can validate the dataset only, or you can validate and upload. This new requisition line was successfully created. We can see that by downloading it on the integrator again. Thanks for watching this video on how to add new requisition lines.